Scored Super Tall stage. Please welcome Deniz, everybody. I almost fucking had this mic stand. It's hot.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I like that little intro. They usually just say my name wrong and then I just get off stage, so this is gonna be kind of different. I don't know, you guys like my shirt? I really love this shirt. Yeah, when in Boston, when you wear a shirt like this, people usually say shit like, hey, I like your shirt, or my shirt, and stuff like that. But I don't know if you can tell from fucking everything about me, I'm not really from here, you guys. And I actually came from Turkey, which is like 50% Muslim, or according to Fox News, 98% Muslim. That's always interesting, because like half of those Muslims are fucking terrified of the other half, really. I don't know. So, this is really exciting. I have some people in the audience that I actually know in person. It's so fucking exciting that I actually forgot all of my jokes. Yeah, who would have thought, right? It's either the excitement or the fact that I spent the entire month smoking joints the size of Oprah's tampons. Yeah, let's talk about some shit. I got these shoes. They have a huge hole in them. I can probably put like both of my dicks through them. Am I oversharing? Tell me if I'm... Yeah, I've been seeing this girl since like January. Everything's going great, but her room is like really full of photos of her current actual boyfriend. So it's kind of a drag for me. She used to have a humidifier in her room. She still does, but then she also got a dehumidifier. So now you walk into the room, there's a humidifier sitting right next to a dehumidifier. So like whenever I walk into a room, my favorite thing to do, like hands down, my favorite thing to do is fucking her. I know that most of you are comics, so this is something that you've never done, but back a few days ago I talked to my dad, so that was interesting. I can't really wear this shirt at home, because like, you know, because here people just assume you're an art student or a stoner, but back home people just think that you're gay because you're a guy wearing a colorful t-shirt. I can't even wear this shit at home because my dad doesn't stop bothering me. He's like, what, we paid all that money, sent you over there, you're a faggot now? Is that what happened? You're a fucking faggot? I'm like, yeah, Dad, that's exactly what happened. How did you know? That's pretty good, you know? You paid all that money to send me over there, and now I'm just handing out blowjobs and like sucking faces with other guys who enjoy wearing colorful t-shirts. That's really all of what we do in the United States. Those are the foundational values upon which this great country was based on. Yeah, really. You know, you ever heard of fucking Abe Lincoln banning slavery so that Mr. Terence Pilkington over there can be followed by mall security at CVS? You ever heard about that shit? Fucking World War II and the Pearl Harbor and fucking Kennedy shooting and the Truman Doctrine and all that stuff. All of that stuff, it was just two guys making out with tongue to sad music. Yeah. Who would have thought, you know? All that information gets distorted over its way over here, but no. It's just two guys kind of lightheaded on ceviche, listening to All Green. Yeah, that's what that was. You know? And you ever remember that guy, my stepbrother, who you tried to raise to be a mathematical genius after naming him after yourself? He became a professor of international relations in Canada. So, do you know any idea how fucking gay Canada is? It's so gay that people don't even wear clothes because they don't want to waste their seconds not fucking and sucking. Yeah, everyone's running naked on the streets because it's so fucking cold and they don't waste their time. Yeah, there's lube dispensers at the bus station so they can grease up on their way to public transportation. Oh, what a great nation. Literally, like North America, South America, all those continents, it's just a bunch of guys who came to see Cats the musical on Broadway as they eat brownie and slide in and out of each other's freshly waxed buttholes. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell from my super progressive agenda today, but I lean left, politically speaking, and when I'm trying to fart silently. I think I'm running out of time, so I'm just gonna finish up with this one. I know I made my dad sound like a homophobic asshole. It's not true. He's actually a dead homophobic asshole. I'm trying to get like a cheap Delta Airlines ticket so I can visit his graveyard because the ground isn't gonna write cunt on itself with my piss. But yeah, recently, okay, last one. My girlfriend recently she really likes sex toys. She has like a giant vibrator and stuff. And she wanted to buy more marital aids, but I was like, alright Amy, you know, call me old-fashioned, but don't we already have enough aids? Alright, I'm Deniz. I hope you guys enjoyed it.